everybody, and welcome back to our channel. For today's video, I'm going to be giving you guys a tour of my front porch, and I know it's almost Christmas, but I wanted to get this out for you guys so maybe it will give you some inspiration to decorate your porch for next year or even change a few things before guests come. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and then also there is a DIY wreath. I'm going to show you how I created my front door wreath, and so make sure you guys are subscribed to our channel so you don't miss out on any other videos. Alright, let's head on into the video. Alright you guys, so here is the porch from the bottom steps. It's a tiny bit windy out, so hopefully you guys can hear me. But what I did is I wrapped this garland. This is from Walmart, and I just wrapped it all along the post here. And then took it along the front, and then that wreath is from my husband's grandma for Christmas. And then it does look like the garland is frosted, but it actually is not. We just got some frost last night, so it made it really pretty for today. And then I just got this little arrangement here from a local hardware store. I just love the blue in it, and I went with like a blue theme because our Christmas lights are also blue. So when you come up the stairs, I have this lantern that I've been using for quite a few different seasons now, and I just added some silvery bulbs to it. And then I just put my welcome sign here. And then along the door is the same garland, and I think that is $12 from Walmart, and it's pre-lit already. And then here is the wreath that I made for the front door, and right now I will insert the clip on how to make this wreath. So let's go ahead and head into that. Alright, so I got my big wreath here. This is the same size that I did for my fall wreath, and it works perfect for your front door because it covers the whole thing and it gives you like a really cute look. This is from Hobby Lobby, and I believe it was $8, and I think you can get them when they're 50% off, so then it's usually around like $4 to $5. And so you'll need your big wreath. Okay, and then you need a variety of flowers. So I got this big bundle here from Walmart for $5. And then I wanted, because our outside lights are blue, I wanted to incorporate some blue on my porch. So I just bought this other big bundle from Walmart for $5. And then I just have a few different like white poinsettias that I'm going to add in there as well. And then just some of these icicle looking flowers for $2 from Walmart. So the first thing I like to do is just start cutting my flowers and just placing them where I like. I'm going to be just doing a half. The only reason why I like to do a lot of half wreaths is because, one, you don't use as many flowers, and sometimes with all those big flowers especially, it kind of looks overcrowded, and so you definitely can do the whole entire wreath, but for now I'm just going to be doing half. And then I'm going to be putting a Merry Christmas sign that I got, and I'll show you guys that. And I'm going to be painting that and adding some glitter on it. So we'll go ahead and grab that. Alright, so here is the Merry Christmas sign that I got from Hobby Lobby. And this was $3.99 and 40% off. And then all I'm going to be using is a metallic acrylic paint. And this is just going to, I'm going to do a light coat of this on the Merry Christmas letters, and then I'm going to add a little bit of this extra fine glitter on the top just to add a little bit of sparkle, and it could almost look like snow. You guys, I'm just doing a very like thin coat for the first time, and then I'm going to go back in with another light coat and then add my glitter. You don't want to add the glitter first because then these bottom pieces will get glitter on and then you'll have kind of a mess. So just coat it all lightly and it dries really fast. And I forgot to mention the color of this is called Ice Blue. just gonna go ahead and coat one letter at a time, and then I'm going to add the glitter. And when it's these smaller letters like this, I'll do coat both of them, because otherwise you're gonna get glitter on them anyway. And so try to do like 2 at once if you can. So once it's fully covered, I'm just gonna let it dry, and then I'm gonna just kind of like knock off the extra glitter. Okay, so ideally you would like to put your Merry Christmas on first. I'm still letting mine dry, so you can definitely do it last if you would like as well. I just don't have a lot of time today to wait for it to dry. And so I'm just gonna go ahead and start like placing my flowers. And like I said, I'm only doing half. And I like to start kind of with, you know, a certain type of flower. And so I get an even amount. Okay, you guys, so now just go ahead and attach the flowers once you have them placed the way that you want. And so I'm just gonna take my glue gun and start attaching the flowers. Okay, you guys, this is the finished product of the Christmas wreath. I love the way it turned out, and it looks perfect on my front door and goes great with my blue lights. And I like how it's something different, and then you can take that Merry Christmas off and maybe even do like a little snowflake like I did on the other wreath that I created. But this looks so cute, and it just brightens up the front door. And then coming down here is this Let It Snow mat. And then I got this lit tree, and it's in like a galvanized little container on the bottom there. And it's just really pretty. It has just some red berries and pine cones, and it's pre-lit. And with all of my Christmas lights, for the most part, I just put them on a timer, so then they come on when it gets dark out, and then I don't have to worry about turning them on. So that is what the porch looks like. Alright, you guys, so thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this porch tour and also the wreath DIY. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel down below, and I hope you guys have a Merry Christmas. Bye!